Hello, my dear friends. Today I am again back with some more question answers of the chapter Mother's Day of class 11th. Next question. Who is the first one to face the mother's anger and how? Answer. Doris, the daughter of the Annie Pearson, was the first one to face the mother's anger. To face the mother's anger. When she came home, she asked about her yellow dress. Mrs. Fitzgerald in the body of Annie Pearson does not pay attention to it. When Doris asked about the tea, then Mrs. Fitzgerald said that you should make the tea yourself. At this, Doris starts crying and went into her room. Next question. Who was Doris? And how does she treat her mother? Answer. Doris was the daughter of Annie Pearson. She make her mother run after her. She expected from her mother that whatever the work Doris asked from her mother to do, her mother will do that work without asking any question. Doris does not think of her mother. She wants to spend most of the time with her boyfriend. Next question. Why did not Mrs. Fitzgerald in the body of Annie Pearson like Doris going out with her boyfriend, which is named as Charlie Spence? Answer. Answer. Mrs. Fitzgerald in the body of Annie Pearson did not like Doris going out with Charlie Spence because Charlie Spence was not so intelligent and his teeth were appearing outward from his mouth, while Doris was pretty girl and she was intelligent also. Next question. Who is Cyril and how does he behave with his mother? Answer. Cyril was the son of Annie Pearson. He wants that whenever he give command to his mother to do any work, then his mother will do that work as at most urgency. Next question. What was Doris and Cyril's reaction of the Annie Pearson's query about the stout? Answer. Doris and Cyril have taken aback at the mention of the stout. They talk to each other about the weird behavior of their mother. They think that something had seriously gone wrong with their mother. Next question. Mention some remarkable changes in Annie Pearson's behavior. What possible reasons for this? Answer. Mrs. Annie Pearson was smoking and playing cards with herself. She had not carried out any work she normally did. Her children thought that their mothers had hit so badly that it affected their brain, or she had gone mad. Next question. What did Mrs. Annie Pearson told to her children when she found that her children were giggling? Answer. Mrs. Annie Pearson told to her children in a very stern tone that not to behave like a children, but match their behavior with the age. She also told them that tell me what was making you laugh, although she knew that her change behavior was the reason. Next question. Who is George and how does he treat his wife? Answer. George is the husband of Annie Pearson. He thinks too much of himself. He wants that his wife should do the work, whatever he commands to his wife. He is a dominating person over his wife. Next question. How did Annie Pearson plan to spend her weekends in future? Answer. Annie Pearson told to her children that she will do work 8 hours a day and she will take leave on Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday and Sunday, she will do some work only. It will depend on how she was treated. If they ask from her to do the work, then only she will do the work. Otherwise, she will not do the work. Next question. Do you agree that Doris and Cyril's behavior with their mother was extremely rude and unheard of? Answer. Yes, Doris and Cyril's behavior with their mother was extremely rude. Extremely rude. We generally do not see children talking to their mother in a rude manner.